Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to operate a ratchet strap. So you'll see that on the far side the hook is in the pocket, so you want to make sure you have a proper anchor point. Hook it in. To tighten by hand or loosen off a ratchet strap, you do need to pull this handle here and make sure the ratchet strap is laying flat like this. That way you can gain more slack, tighten it off. Now when you're going to actually ratchet down, you're going to need to pull this lever up a bit, let it click in a bit, and then just let it ratchet down. You want to make sure you pull the slack out as much as you can before you start doing this, and then once you're done, you're going to pull it up and make sure that it's connected all the way like this, not left in a slightly open position like this. When you are putting ratchet straps down, you want to make sure that the clasping mechanism is on the driver's side of the trailer, truck, whatever you're securing to.
And your tail?
So with the tail, start fresh here. So you want to just start rolling it into a bit of a coil here. Make sure it stays flat. So when you got, in this case, about this much, you can have a bit less. You want to put your hand through the coil, grab the excess, then grab the coil, wrap it around, pull. Now you got a tied off tail. One final thing, make sure that the strap is level the whole way across when you're securing down a load. So when you're undoing a ratchet strap, just release it, make sure it is level. I personally like to grab this bottom plate and just pull. You'll gain slack. You can just remove it from the anchor point.